The Power of Truth, a story of honesty and integrity. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the hills, there lived a young boy named Arav. He was known for his sharp mind and quick wit, but there was one thing that often got him into trouble: his habit of telling lies. Arav would tell small lies, often to avoid responsibility or to make himself appear more impressive in front of others. He had learned early on that lying could get him out of tough situations, or so he thought. One day, as Arav was walking through the village market, he overheard two merchants talking about a grand competition that was being held in the capital city. The competition was for a large sum of money and a chance to work with the king himself. Excited by the thought of fame and fortune, Arav immediately decided that he wanted to enter. But there was a problem. Arav wasn't particularly skilled in any of the areas that the competition would judge. He wasn't a great poet, nor was he a skilled craftsman or a brilliant scholar. However, he had an idea. He told the villagers that he had already been invited to participate in the competition, even though it wasn't true. His words spread quickly, and soon everyone in the village was talking about Arav's big opportunity. Some admired him, others envied him, but no one questioned his story. Arav felt proud, and the lie seemed harmless at first. He walked around, basking in the attention and admiration. But as the competition day grew closer, Arav began to feel anxious. The truth was, he had no real skills to showcase at the competition, and he couldn't keep up the lie for much longer. He considered backing out, but then another lie came to mind. He told everyone that he had been asked by the competition organizers to keep his participation a secret until the day of the event. The villagers, now even more impressed, eagerly awaited the big day. The day of the competition arrived, and Arav, filled with dread, set off for the capital city. He had no idea what he would do once he got there. When he reached the grand palace, the guards stopped him at the entrance. "What brings you here?" they asked. Arav hesitated, then lied again. "I'm here for the competition. I was invited personally by the king." The guards eyed him suspiciously but allowed him to pass. As he walked through the palace, Arav began to feel more and more out of place. He had no invitation, no credentials, and no idea how to enter the competition. Panicking, he ran into an old man who appeared to be a caretaker. The old man, seeing Arav's distress, asked, "What is it you seek, young one?" Arav, desperate to maintain his story, lied once more. "I'm here to participate in the competition. I just lost my way." The old man smiled gently and said, "The competition you speak of requires much more than just words. It demands skill, dedication, and a true heart. A lie, no matter how well told, will always reveal itself in the end." Arav felt his heart sink as the old man's words sunk in. He had been lying to himself for so long that he had almost forgotten the value of truth. The old man continued, "You cannot win a race without knowing the track, and you cannot win in life by pretending to be something you're not. The truth is your greatest ally, and once you embrace it, you'll see the path ahead clearly." Arav felt ashamed. He realized that the old man was right. He had been living a life of lies, trying to impress others instead of being true to himself. In that moment, he decided to stop pretending. He thanked the old man and left the palace, vowing to never tell a lie again. When Arav returned to his village, he confessed everything to the villagers. He admitted that he had lied about the competition and explained why. The villagers, who had once admired him for his false bravado, now respected him for his honesty. They forgave him, and Arav felt a sense of relief he had never known before. His heart felt lighter, and he realized that the truth was far more powerful than any lie could ever be. From that day on, Arav lived his life with integrity. He worked hard to develop his skills and never again relied on lies to gain admiration. The villagers came to see him not as the boy who told tall tales, but as someone they could trust and look up to. Arav's story spread far and wide, becoming a legend in the village. It reminded everyone that honesty was the foundation of trust and that no matter how tempting a lie might seem, the truth would always set you free. The villagers learned that true success comes not from deceiving others, but from being genuine and true to oneself. And so, Arav grew up to become a wise and respected man, known not for his lies, but for his unwavering commitment to the truth. Moral of the story: never tell a lie, no matter how small it may seem. Lies may seem like a quick way to escape trouble, but in the end, the truth will always come to light. Living with honesty and integrity builds trust and leads to true success and happiness.